right here.
Yeah.
Pivot.
Pivot. Or
Pivot.
else you're traveling. It's raining, bro.
Elegant Workshop is shut down currently. We lost power and shit. Can't work on y'all fucking headlight. God damn, y'all see that shit?
Yes, sir.
Right here. Got Wicked right here. Type shit. We finna swap my shit soon.
January 11th, 8 a.m. to 11:30. Dunkin' Donuts.
Tap in. Be there. Type shit. You right here in the building. Say what's up, my boy. Whoa, whoa. You doing outside in the rain right now, bro? Okay. My boy dripped out.
Damn, Jill.
It looks nice outside. It's raining and pouring like a motherfucker.
The rain about to go away at 4 though, bro.
We can't play basketball right now, bro. Oh, look at it.
Oh, yeah.
Lost the basketball.
Close the shop.
Lost the basketball. Damn. Wait, what you feel about that? What you feel about that? Like the rain and shit.
California's supposedly in a drought.
Oh shit, so we need it.
Like one to me.
Shit, we need that. Look at that right there. That shit going crazy. Out here, this motherfucker. Look at this shit. Oh shit.
You're already fucking up.
I'm a dumbass nigga. Well, we the GoPro and shit. We chilling this motherfucker right now. We go. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Fight. Nah. Oh, we get some starlights. Starlights here.
What happened here is the fellas fucked up.
Nah, we ain't fucking nothing. Alright, so we ain't fuck up, but we took out the battery, and you know what happened was that the key forgot the car, so we need to program a new key. But it's all good because we gotta get that home sorted. Don't trip.
They forgot to do the research.
No, we didn't. Do not touch this nigga with a grenade. Oh my bad, do not cut that, bleep that. Oh,
Yo, shit, that shit going hell right now.
bro, why is it raining? It is sunny. It is sunny. Look at the sun. The sun is out and it's raining.
They say how hard it's hitting. Oh, what the fuck?
And then it goes away.
Oh, shit.
Oh. Oh. Damn, bro, it's really raining and pouring and the whole man is snoring. So, guys, we don't really have much content to do right now just because of the fact that it's fucking raining. But, you know,
We're still posted though.
soon we're gonna go to what you call it? Car meet. Yep, on the 11th. Cars and coffee. Slide. Pull up. If you don't pull up, you know, just know. Be coming after you at nighttime. Oh, we got my nigga like, you know, we'll really go in that motherfucking bedroom.
What are you watching? All the angles, boy. That's prestige of this word.
I'm about to put you on game, so look.
Yeah, do that.
You don't want to just record like that. You want to do like a kind of like a bounce type
Yeah,
angle.
yeah,
Look,
yeah.
You see like that?
Uh-huh.
Like that, you just kind of having that shit focus on the main portrait type photo. And you just kind of just moving where you're doing the focus from. You feel me?
Yeah.
You're not just moving the whole camera. You moving.
Yeah, you gotta
where
move
the
your
focus
body
is.
with it.
You feel me? Like right there, it's like a pivot almost. We right here.
Yeah.
Look. Pivot.
Pivot. Or
Pivot.
else you're traveling.
Feel me? Boom. Like right there, look, boom, one motion. Boom. Working out the quads. Boom. One motion, you feel me? Now look at the results. Boom. One motion, you feel me? Boom. Feel me? That's all you gotta do.
Let's go ahead and miss the results.
I like that, but
I don't know. There. But I ain't trying to get a ticket because I got a ticket for my steering wheel shit, bro.
Nah, we in, but that's for cool. Wait, what's your steering wheel?
Quick release.
What the? I didn't see this shit.
Yeah.
Nah, we'll be good, bro. We'll be good, bro. That's what we're going to tell us, bro. Oh, bro. Now you good, bro.
Yeah. I'm down, I mean.
Nah, it's because we're all supposed to go, but he doesn't want to drag back.
Yo, man, don't make open mine.
Oh, yeah, bitch. I ain't gonna open your door. So I guess this is where it's gonna be at, I think, for January 11th. It's gonna be here at the Dunkin' Donuts, front of Modesto. But yeah. Oh, who's that? Who's that? Oh. We got DeAndre, we got me, we got Elegant Words, we got the homies. Shit, I might just close my window, bro. Fuck that. I ain't gonna be the only one in here. My steering wheel popped up. Alright, we good. Good, bruh.
So am I.
How are you?
Chilling.
Chilling, bro. Fuck. Just want to close my window because tweakers out here, bro.
Oh, yeah.
But I'm finna steal my steering wheel.
Don't come back to no steering wheel or
Exactly, bro. I won't be able to tow this bitch home. You gonna go in the donut shop right now?
Yeah, I'll probably go in there now.
Alright, wait.
Smoking, I need in my lungs, so a nigga kept choking.
It's hella naked without the front lip, huh?
Barely, you can't yourself. I didn't even know you had a front lip.
I gotta go bathroom. You've been here on this shit.
Cold.
Oh, you just told him to stop.
He's cool.
He's cool.
Hey, other days they on everybody's ass, huh?
Bro, what the fuck?
You know what it is?
I'm hands on hood, butt cheeks spread.
Bro, I know that nigga's balls dropped so
What? How you been? Bro, I've been chilling, bro. Hell yeah. Fucking raining out here, bro.
I know, bro. Like, me and my. Turn his TV off. 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 Ain't no other gas in the various padlock around the building. Crash pulling up in no more truck just to pay freeze tags. With a phone pick like it was seat pass.